The 9 men who were accused of the Malegaon blast have finally been exonerated after spending 5 years in jail, and they will walk free tomorrow. While the families are ecstatic at the developments, they're also angry and bitter. Who will pay for the lost years? Saurabh Gupta reports.
ये 4-5 साल जो गुजरा है, तो इब्तिदा में तो पहले बहुत ही परेशानियों का मामला था, क्योंकि हमेशा उनके टॉर्चर की खबर आती रहती थी।
हम लोगों के साथ इंसाफ हुआ, अभी और जितने बेगुनाह जेल में हैं उन लोगों के साथ भी आप लोग कोशिश करते रहिए, उन लोगों को भी जल्द से जल्द रिहाई मिले।
For the families of these 9 men, it has been a long wait. Accused of orchestrating the 2006 Malegaon blasts, they have spent 5 years in jail, a time during which their families lived with the stigma of their men being labelled as terrorists. After Swami Asimanand's confession pointing to the involvement of right-wing groups, the case was reinvestigated. The CBI in April had submitted a report to the NIA stating that the 9 men arrested were innocent and only the right-wing group arrested last year should be probed for the blasts. And finally, on Saturday, the National Investigation Agency told a special Makoka court that they will not oppose their bail plea. The families say that though this has come as a relief, it is not the end of the battle for them. The 9 accused have still not been exonerated, a sentiment that is echoed by elder members of the Muslim community.
कि 5 साल के बाद उनको अभी सिर्फ जमानत हो पाई, अभी केस उनके ऊपर चलेगा। जब तक अदालत से वो बरी नहीं हो जाते, तब तक उनको हम बरी हुकूमत ने किया ऐसा हम नहीं समझ सकते। बहुत बड़ी नाइंसाफी है।
With crucial years lost of their lives, the families are demanding compensation for the trauma that they have been through. They want to see action against the officers who are responsible for implicating their men in these blasts, in which 37 people lost their lives. And there is support from Maharashtra Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan.
मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई कि केंद्र सरकार की कोशिश से, हमारी कोशिश से कोर्ट ने बात मान ली है और उनको जमा मिली है।
It is also required of the government to actually compensate these 9 innocent youth who have lost 5 years of their life. And the government should also set up an inquiry into investigating who were the officers who got these false statements from them.
Even as these families in Malegaon celebrate this moment, they know it will be long before they finally get closure. And the burning question remains, who pays for the lost years? An NDTV Bureau Report.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone. Fastest scorecard, special analysis, and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.